Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a transport logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the logo option next to the t-shirt button at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and you can find the transport logo options. Here just select a template and you can edit. If you want to change the text, click to the text box, tap to the edit button and click to the keyboard icon. Delete this text, write your text, and if you finish, click to the done button. In the font section you can find a different font type and just select another. And if you want to change the color of your text, click to the color section and here you can find it different colors. If you want to add graphic elements or photos to your project, click to the graphic option, and in the symbol section you can find different graphic elements, and in the photo section you can upload images from your device. In the doodle section there just select a color and you can draw on your project, and in the brush section you can find different objects and elements. For example, tap to the butterflies and you can add the butterflies to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.